Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is question answer, filling the blanks and true false. Today we will practice this topic all together based on our half-yearly short syllabus. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is question answer, filling the blanks, true false all together, and this is RW class. And today we will revise all of these topics based on our half-yearly exam syllabus. So dear students, let's start the class. Look at here, I have written all the questions and answers here, and the first here is question answer. A number question is, what do we use to pick things up? Answer is, we use hands to pick things up. We use hands to pick things up. And B number question is, what do we use to eat food? Answer is, we use mouth to eat food. We use mouth to eat food. C number question, what do we hear with our ear? Answer is, we hear sounds with our ear. And D number, what do we see with our eyes? Answer is, we see things around us with our eyes. E number question is, write 3 names of living things. Answer is, 3 living things are fish, tree, man. 3 living things are fish, tree and man. And now come to here, this page. Here is F number question, what is a leaf? Answer is, a leaf is a flat, thin plant organ. A leaf is a flat, thin plant organ. Now G number question, where do the fruits and vegetables grow? Answer is, fruits and vegetables grow on plants. H number question is, write the names of 4 farm animals. Answer is, 4 farm animals are goat, duck, cow, sheep. I number answer is, question is here, how do the birds fly? Answer is, the birds flap their wings to fly. J number question is here, what do we need to live? Answer is, we need food to live. We need food to live. I have finished question answer. Now we will do filling the blanks. We will practice filling the blanks here all together. Here is first filling the blanks is A number. We use dash to see things. We use eyes. We will write here eyes. Eyes to see things. Eyes spelling E-Y-E-S. Eyes. And B number. We feel heat, cold with our dash, with our skin. Skin spelling S-K-I-N, skin. We feel heat, cold with our skin. Next is here C number. A tree is a dash plant. A tree is a big plant. Big spelling B-I-G, big. A tree is a big plant. D number. Fill in the blanks here is, plants have many leaves. Plants have many leaves. Leaves spelling is L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Now E number, we dash vegetables and eat them. We cook vegetables and eat them. Here is cook. Cook spelling C-O-O-K, cook. Now F number, we use dash to smell flowers. We use nose To smell flowers. Nose spelling N-O-S-E, nose. Now G number, we taste sweet sour with our dash, with our tongue. Answer is tongue. Tongue spelling is T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Next here is H number, living things can dash of their own. Living things can, answer is move. Living things can move of their own. Move spelling is M-O-V-E. Now here is I number. This is the last fill in the blanks. Here, drum is a dash things. Drum is a non-living thing. Non-living spelling N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living thing. Now students, come to this page. Now we will practice true false. And A number, true false is here. We use ears to smell. Students, when you will answer your answer sheet, then for false we will write here only if, and answer true, then we will write here only T. We use ears to smell. No, this line is false, then we will write here if only, like this. And B number, a banyan is a big plant. Yes, this statement is true, then we will write here T only, like this. And now C number, lotus leaf is small. No, this line is, this statement is not true, then we will write here if, that means false. D number, fruits are juicy to eat. Yes, this statement is true, then we will write here T. Now E number, horse is a jungle animal. Horse is a jungle animal. This line is, this statement is false, then we will write here F. Now F number, we use legs to walk. Yes, that means this one is true, we will write here true. And G number, we feel heat with our skin. Yes, this statement is also true, then we will write here true. H number, we taste the music with our tongue. No, this line is also false, then we will write here false. I number, hippo is a non-living thing. This statement is also false. Hippo is a living thing, so we will write here false. J number, bird is a living thing. Yes, bird is a living thing, then we will write here true. K number, a leaf uses the sun to make food. Yes, this statement is also true, then we will write here true. T. Then L number, the color of sunflower is red. No, this statement is also false, then we will write here if, sunflower color is yellow. And then M number, come to this page, a baby cow is called calf. Yes, this statement is true, then we will write here T. N number is eagle is a small bird. This statement is also false because eagle is not small bird. Then we will write here false if. O number, this one is the last true false. O number is birds have wings. Yes, this statement is true, then we will write here T. Students, I have finished this all topics. You have to keep practice these topics at your home. So dear students, I hope you have understood all the topics. Keep practice it at home. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.